Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to answer a question that someone asked me about promixing cream, face and body cream, adding a preservative on it. If you are promixing a face and body cream and you know that it's not a DIY, you don't need to add a preservative on it, because all the things you use, if you use a tube and they also use a base, or the base and tube already contain a preservative, so you don't need to add more preservative. So then I'm answering now, when someone say putting a free cream on the fridge, why will you put your cream in the fridge when you know that you want to take a shower? You don't have the time of going down to the bathroom, to the kitchen or anywhere to go get your cream from the fridge. It's not advisable to be putting cream in the fridge. Please always make sure that after promixing your face or body cream, cover it proper, and then make sure that the container and the things you use are well cleaned, so that the color will not change. You don't need to add any color on your cream. You don't need to add more preservative or a scent, a fragrance on it. No, just leave it the way it is. So that's all I have to say about promixing. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.